Hello and welcome to Laura's Take. Okay, so this is a kind of stop coming in the picture, Amber. All right, so hi, and this is kind of like a really short video of Laura's Take because really I'm just announcing something. So you guys know how in the finally video I was trying to tell you guys how I'm gonna make my channel better, and no, yeah, it was in the finally video, and with that, I really want to get some more subscribers, 18, after like, I don't even know, like about 9 months of having this channel. It's not the best, really 10, it's more 10. And so yeah, I really want to do better. So what I'm going to be doing this summer is participating in the biannual Bibliothon for the summer, which is really exciting. I've been talking to one of my fellow booktubers, Emma, who is Lions, Tigers, and Books, oh my, and I was asking her about what I could do to make my channel better because, like, I really love you guys and I really want this to be the best thing, especially since I'm about to be an author and I really want a lot of readers and 18 is not enough. So yeah, so I really want to make this channel a lot better, and because of that, I'm going to be doing the biannual Bibliothon. I'm really excited to be a part of it this year. I'm going to do it in the winter, if I really enjoy doing it. I also made another blog where I do a lot of my reviews on, so you can definitely check that out because no one has checked it out, so please check that out. And also, thanks to the people who have subscribed to me. I love you guys so much. You are so loyal to me, and none have unsubscribed, which is really exciting. And I just thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, I guess that's it. And hopefully, yeah. Here's the thing. If you're wondering if I've read The Crown yet, no, I have not. And I'm actually in the process of reading The Crown and Trials of Apollo, and I'm just like freaking out in both of them. But I've already gotten The Crown spoiled and I'm like crying, but that's all I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to spoil that for you. I'm not going to tell you who Evelyn chooses, because it's just going to be sad, and I'm not going to tell you what happens with America either, because then you're just going to be like, or yeah, so I'm not going to say anything about those books. Trials of Apollo, I'm not going to spoil it because there's already things you can spoil in it, so I'm not going to do that to you guys. I already told you Percy's in it so far. But yeah, so that basically concludes this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. I hope you guys like that, I hope you guys like that awesome intro for the last video. I'm still working on stuff. This one doesn't have an intro because I'm still working on it. But yeah, thank you guys. Bye.